Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. If you love gardening and love nature, you must also love butterflies. We all love butterflies for their beauty, brightly colored wings. But did you know that these fabulous flyers began life as something completely different? As they grow, they undergo one seriously terrific transformation, a process known as metamorphosis. You can also watch and learn the metamorphosis of the butterfly. At first, we found 4 tiny caterpillars. They were all so tiny and black. We collected some tender leaves and put those caterpillars in the jar. Keep in mind that you have to keep it ventilated. You can use mesh or fabric to cover the top. Or you can open the lid 3 to 4 times a day. We daily take out the caterpillars and give them some tender leaves inside. Keep in mind that you have to feed the caterpillar the same plant you find it on. Such as we found the caterpillars on lemon plants, so we only have to feed them lemon leaves. Always note that you have to clean out the poop. Caterpillars poop a lot and their habitat can get unhealthily dirty. Periodically, remove the caterpillar gently. Clear out the frass and put it back with fresh food. Also note that keep it out from direct sunlight so the caterpillars don't overheat. After a week or so of feeding, your caterpillar will look for a spot to pupate. It will attach itself to a branch or the underside of a horizontal surface. Right now, there are 3 pupas attached with the lid and there is still 1 caterpillar left. While the caterpillar attaches and builds the pupa, it is quite vulnerable. Take care not to shake or move the habitat for the first few days of pupating. Look, after 2 weeks, we found our first beautiful butterfly. The butterfly emerges slowly, then it spends a couple of hours drying its wing before it is ready to fly. Make sure that whatever habit you have chosen has enough space for the butterfly to stretch its wings before you release it, and a big enough opening that it won't damage its wings as it flies away. Did you know moths also go through this process of metamorphosis? The moth's eggs or the caterpillars are mainly found in rain lily plant. So if you find some moths, caterpillars or the eggs in your garden, you can use the same procedure and help it become a beautiful moth. The moths or the butterflies are the friend of nature and garden. The moths or butterflies are the friend of the garden and it helps the flowers to become fruits or vegetables. The next day, we found 2 caterpillars. The first butterfly flew away immediately, but the second one stayed with us and talked with us a little more. I hope, like Chhoti and me, many of you learn about the wondrous process by which a caterpillar morphs into a butterfly. If you love the nature and gardening, you must also love these creatures. Some species of caterpillars are found in cabbage plant, curry plant, carrot plant, etc. This year we also found some big caterpillars in the brinjal plant. Last year we also found some caterpillars and transformed it into a beautiful butterfly. If you wish, you can watch that video as well. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.